let's just talk through the day. We've got a really busy day. So we're gonna go meet Brian and Diane in Snohomish over by Blackman's Lake.
Perfect.
It's a little Rambler, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, a little under 1,600 square foot, listed at $440.
Okay.
Diane and Brian are really overseeing this house. The family owns the home. They tried selling it for the last 2 months, and they have had no success in selling it.
Oh, wow, in that location.
I know.
Well, I'm excited about it. Well, this looks good. I like this.
Beautiful yard.
Thank you.
This is gorgeous,
Oh,
guys.
thanks.
Lindsay,
Lindsay, Brian,
Brian.
and Diane.
my wife Diane.
Yeah,
Well,
thank
you guys love the color of the house. Phenomenal location. This is like prime for Snohomish.
It's a great spot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long have you guys owned this place?
Well, my family bought it for my sister.
Okay.
She lived here by herself. It's a single-story house, great for her. She
Yeah.
was a little disabled.
Okay.
And my whole extended family lives in the area, so we took care of her. So
awesome.
about 5, 6 years ago, she passed away, so
I think it was special to all of us because it was Denise's home.
Yeah.
It's time to let it go and move
Yeah.
on. Tried selling it
Yeah.
ourselves. And,
Yeah.
You know, everybody likes it when they pull up.
Yeah.
It's just kind of dated.
Okay. We can take this that's outside and make the buyer understand that we have prime location, prime school district. We can walk to everything. We have the lake. There's just positive, positive,
my
positive,
goodness.
positive, and bring that inside. There's no reason that we can't help you guys maximize your family's investment.
Oh, that'd be
good.
great.
Let's go in and I'll
Okay,
show
do
you.
it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
We are.
Okay.
Wow.
This is nice and open. But to be honest, I opened this front door and I immediately was like, fridge.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
That's a massive kitchen, which is great. And I love big kitchens and big kitchens sell.
Right.
But then you want everything else to be proportionate to it.
Yeah. When you walk in the door, we want something else to grab their attention.
Right.
Not necessarily a fridge. We would love to go see the rest of the house.
Yeah, why don't you guys take a peek?
Okay.
Go right ahead.
Oh, this is great. The main bedroom. Ooh, nice doors.
Yeah, these doors are phenomenal. And the other thing I noticed is you don't look out into anybody else's home in any window. Great size rooms, great size halls. Everything just needs to be updated.
Let's check out the main bath.
Yeah.
This is good size, but that's a tub. There's no shower. Ooh, okay, so what I think I would do is I would actually do a large walk-in corner shower, tiled up, recenter the window, large shower walk-in. I would double vanity, so we had 2 sinks for the main bath, for his and hers, and a whole closet system would be where I would start.
Okay.
Kitchen feels way oversized. While we typically want to expand the kitchen, this time we are going to tighten it up and make it more proportional for that space. That means new cabinetry, new appliances, a beautiful tile on the wall, and an overall reworking of the space. Most buyers know that you don't need 3 bedrooms today. Down the road, either they're going to want that 3rd bedroom or it's smart to have that 3 bedroom for resale.
I think we need to figure out how to make this a 3 bedroom.
And there's a small office, tiny little thing there.
Oh, nice. Okay.
The fact that we have this office here is going to make it a lot easier for us to turn it into a 3 bedroom.
To make that a bedroom, a room has to have a window, a door, and a closet. I think we can actually steal some extra space from the huge kitchen to build out a nice sized closet and make this a functional 3rd bedroom.
That's gonna open up our buyer pool substantially.
We would need to do 3 bedrooms, a renovation on the kitchen, a renovation on both bathrooms.
Yeah.
French doors.
We're probably gonna be around 50,000 investment. So the way that we work, we'll invest our own money, and as a result, at the end, once we get our investment back, so that 50,000, any profit above that, we would split 50-50. I would say we're looking at a sales price of probably $510 starting. So that would be $10,000 to your family and $10,000 to us.
That sounds great.
Brian and Diane have decided to go for it, so demo has begun.
The first thing that's got to go is the huge triangular tub in the main bathroom, along with the old carpet and tile. In the kitchen, we're knocking down walls that will not only make that kitchen more efficient and proportional, but we're going to borrow some space to add a closet in that little office to turn it into an actual third bedroom.
That's like one of the worst things you do. That's the money whore.
I know, right?
I have an idea.
Yeah, she wants.
No, this was what I was thinking. Okay, guys, because we talked a lot about you walk in the front door.
Yeah.
First thing you saw was
The fridge.
the fridge, which was like, wah, wah,
Yeah,
wah.
got it.
Now we walk in and we see the stove with a custom hood.
Yes.
That Jeff makes for us.
Sure.
And I have some ideas for really neat backsplash.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah. I'm thinking rustic, because we're going for farmhouse, contemporary type feel here.
Right by the lake, in historic Snohomish, keeping these wood windows.
Yes. The overall design for the kitchen is really to go with something that is universal. Any buyer could walk in and feel like, wow, this is something I can relate to, something that I can connect with. Bam, hood, wood, beautiful statement. We've got our tile. Then above the stove, we do something that's complementary.
Okay.
So hold that up. We're walking in and I want statement. More expensive tile, but in a very small spot.
Right.
This is our wow in this
Right.
kitchen. Got it.
I think I can make this look really cool.
I think you could make it look awesome.
Let's go to the bathroom.
Main bath.
Okay.
This is
Ooh,
looking
it already
awesome.
looks better.
This is gonna be great. This is way bigger than what I thought. And now we're gonna have 2 sinks.
2.
2 sinks. Yeah. I would love this Florentine tile as our base floor. This beautiful hexagon,
Yep.
Which is like a marble.
it's got
marble.
some marble.
It is
yes.
marble.
So this would be the shower pan.
Yep.
Gorgeous. This penny round for some accent and for it to feel more
Just higher
just
end.
higher end. But this is what my vote would be. Are we all in agreement?
Agree.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be great.
Awesome.
Challenge accepted?
Challenge accepted.
The Danielson house is coming along great. Inside, the white subway tile is going up on the walls of the new walk-in shower. We chose a grayish color for the trim that's a slightly darker neutral to really make the white walls stand out. And outside, we're going to build a trellis on the back deck for potting plants.
There's been tons going on here at the Danielson house. Paint, cabinets, the French doors done. They finished all the tile in the bathrooms, which I'm just dying to see. Tons of progression at this house.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey, oh my gosh.
You have gotten so much done.
This looks incredible. Today, we're here to check on countertops going in. We are here to talk about doing a really cool shiplap look behind the vanity in the main bathroom and see how the tile looks. This looks gorgeous.
I'm not even sure that the homeowners will
Yeah.
notice that this kitchen is smaller
Yeah, they have more cabinets and more storage
than they did.
than they did before.
Yep.
There's a lot of things that actually we made better.
Yeah, agree. So really, it took 2 feet away from this ginormous kitchen, and I'm going to add $40,000 onto our list price for that third bedroom.
Yeah.
I mean,
That was
in
awesome.
any world, that is the right choice.
Yeah.
We are quickly approaching the finish line over here at the Danielson house. The wood plank floors bring out the farm in our modern farmhouse. The tile backsplash will be a unique focal point in our kitchen. Right about here. Our dining room table we ordered is here, and the steel legs give some modern flair to our otherwise typical farmhouse table. Here's our light, plus we got a modern wood hanging light that ties the entire space together. Oh my gosh, I love it! Jeff and his crew have transformed this house into a beautiful family home. Now it's time for us to come in and start staging.
Hello.
Hey,
Hey.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're really excited.
it's been hard with this not that far away from our house not to come
I
over.
know. Did you peek,
No,
honest?
No, we didn't.
We didn't.
We didn't do much out here because it's beautiful landscaping. You guys have kept great curb appeal, so we really focused through those doors.
Awesome.
Here you go.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This does not even look like the same. It doesn't.
No.
Look at this. Oh, this is just
Look
marvelous.
at the door, the French door.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that.
See?
And thank God that fireplace is gone.
The natural light.
Yeah.
From a design and aesthetic standpoint, creating multiple spaces
Yes.
Yeah.
help remind the buyers of how big this space is.
Yeah.
So we took the chandelier, we swooped it, and created a real dining space. You have the beautiful wood floors, and so I wanted to just play up that modern farmhouse style in Snohomish, but our trim now, we painted this like pewter.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so did something different. Instead of
Yeah.
just white, and brought in that modern farmhouse, so gave a little bit different style. And then the kitchen, I wanted a focal point. The backsplash giving a little pop of something fun under the hood. That was our statement.
Are you okay?
Yay.
Really good.
Good, good.
It looks fantastic.
Oh, yay. Oh, now I'm gonna cry.
Look at all this. You guys made this, didn't you?
Yeah.
Well, Jeff made that.
You guys already have the emotion attached to this house, but we were trying to create that emotion
Yeah.
for everybody.
Yes.
And this kitchen, we felt like did it. We had this giant space in here, but it was disproportionate.
So we did absolutely hole in the wall a little bit with the pantry here.
And I didn't really notice this being smaller.
Yeah.
It never even crossed my mind that
Yeah.
it was any smaller.
Come on in.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this looks nice.
This is
Just-
marvelous.
Even just what that shelf does.
Look.
Holy crap.
Oh my gosh.
This is amazing. This changes everything.
This is
Right.
over the top. Okay,
it.
I'm gonna peek
Yeah.
here really quick. Oh, wow. Oh, and the cubby,
I don't even have a cubby in my shower.
I don't either.
That's great.
Yeah.
This was probably the biggest transformation in this house. Even though there was that huge soaking tub, it was really not usable. What we wanted to give this main bathroom is a really high-end custom shower so that they felt like this wasn't a letdown of a bathroom.
Yeah.
And we wanted to carry that modern farmhouse feel throughout. We've got a vanity that is way more useful than the one
Oh,
that we
yeah.
had here.
And
All
this,
soft clothes.
Yeah.
it's a custom closet system that we got made for in here.
Oh, wow.
Isn't this nice? It feels like you've got so much more room. And
Yeah.
really you don't.
It's organized.
Yes.
This is great. I couldn't ask for any more than in here like this, because it was awful.
We get to use our French doors.
So really, the whole point was to give a better opportunity to get back here. And I've swept these leaves 100 times, I tell you.
Yeah, you're in the
Here?
Pacific Northwest. Oh, wow. This is
Look at how
great.
big this looks now. Oh, look at that.
Why does this look so much bigger?
because I think styling it gives purpose to it.